Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a way to enjoy CuriosityStream for free in 2025, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you step by step through a completely legal method to access CuriosityStream without spending a dime. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Understand CuriosityStream. CuriosityStream is a subscription-based streaming service that offers a wide range of documentaries and non-fiction titles focused on science, nature, history, and technology. Before getting started, familiarize yourself with what CuriosityStream offers so you can make the most of your free access. Step 2. Take advantage of free trials. CuriosityStream often provides promotional free trials for new users. To start, visit the CuriosityStream website and look for a free trial option. Although the duration of free trials may vary, they typically last between 7 to 30 days. 1. Visit the website. Go to the official CuriosityStream website. 2. Or sign up. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email and create a password. 3. Select the free trial. During the sign-up process, ensure you choose the free trial option. 4. Provide payment information. You may need to enter credit card details, but don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. Step 3. Keep track of your trial period. Once you've signed up for the free trial, note the expiration date. Set a reminder on your calendar a few days before the trial ends to evaluate whether you want to continue with the paid subscription or cancel it. Step 4. Explore CuriosityStream content. While you have access to the platform, take full advantage of the free trial by exploring the extensive library CuriosityStream offers. Watch documentaries, series, and other educational content that pique your interest. Step 5. Cancel before the trial ends. If you decide that CuriosityStream isn't for you or you want to avoid being charged, make sure to cancel your subscription before the trial period expires. 1. Log in to your account. Go to your account settings on the CuriosityStream website. 2. Find the subscription section. Look for the subscription management section. 3. Cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your trial subscription. Ensure you receive a confirmation email to verify your cancellation. Step 6. Repeat if needed. If you love the content and want to watch more, consider signing up for additional free trials using different email addresses. This should be done responsibly, ensuring that you follow CuriosityStream's terms of service. Don't forget to bookmark the CuriosityStream page and stay updated on any upcoming promotions that might offer new users additional free access. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy streaming!